Hello. Hi. Hello everyone. So we will study data science requirements. I am teaching you my dream. So please focus. Okay? Okay. So in this video, we will learn about what requirements do we need in data science. So first requirement is coding language. So the coding languages we need for data science requirements are Python and R language. So Python, we all know Python libraries are tools that extend the functionality of Python and make it easier to perform specific tasks such as data manipulation or machine learning. So in data scientists there are two categories, data scientist and machine learning. So for machine learning, we can make machines from Raspberry Pi, Arduino or anything. On data science, we can just collect data of how many smartwatches are sold in whole year and how many games are sold in whole year. So we can use that also. And there are many variants and libraries also in data science tasks such as NumPy, NumPython, Pandas, PandaPython or import Panda, and SciPy, Python. Science is official data science, which will discuss, which we will discuss later. This article along with Python libraries and applications in various fields like machine learning and deep learning. So I can discuss it now only. We know that Python is used for making apps, website, web, games, and many kind of files and machines. So Python is very good language, but it is also very slow because it goes very slow. It takes a lot of time for making web package or server. So we can use Python also. But the most important coding language is R language. R is a programming language for statistical computing and data visualization. This is the coding language which most data scientists use in their work. It has been adopted in the fields of data mining, bioinformatics, and data analysis. Data scientists, obviously. The core R languages is augmented by a large number of extension packages containing reusable code, documentation, and sample data. So we know that how many things are sold in how much year, how much time. So that data is used for in data science with R language. No. The Python basics we need to learn in data scientists. To learn data science and machine learning with Python, you should have basics to intermediate level of Python proficiency. Here are some key Python concepts you should be familiar with. Basic data types such as integers, floats, strings, booleans. Data structures such as lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. So we all know that how many of us uses these things as Python basics. So for being Python basics, we need to learn calculations, games, and more. But for games, we need to be at intermediate levels. In basics, we need calculations such as NumPy, SciPy, and many more. And for being an intermediate level, you should make interesting projects such as games, calculators, and apps. So this is not our topic for what we need in basics and intermediate level. We need to learn that what is important for making a data. So import pandas PD, NP, matplotlib, pyplot, plotly express, plotly graph, objects, and data activity. So for example, I want to take a data that how much money was that cost in Olympics and how much our Bollywood actors earn salary. So for taking out the data, these lines of codes are here. So if we get write 6 lines or 7 lines of codes, it will appear in this much size. This much. You can see this much size according to 3 football stadiums. Not according to as per 3 football stadiums. So much big. The R basics to learn in data scientist. Object environment. Being an object-based language in R, anything that can be saved in a variable known as object. So we all know that R language is used for making a data scientist data and console, script, operator, syntax rule, data types and casting, data structures and packaging libraries. So these all are the things which we need in data scientists, and this is the source code. But I don't know what, for example, of actors gamers or any type of wholesalers or any type of names. Next topic. Excel skills. We know that what Microsoft Excel is what? It is an area where we can make plots like these, and there are millions of plots. It is a user-friendly tool that provides a wide range of features that can be used for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization in data science. Excel is particularly useful in data preparation, cleaning and data manipulation, and analysis and visualization and reporting. I'm doing blah 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 blah. But we know that Excel is very important for our data. We get 5 lakhs per annum for making Excel also, but total is 24 lakhs LPA. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. We get rich. We get money. We get many types of things. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it buys things that makes us happy. So let's move to next topic. Excel we know. Math skills. We know that Srinivasa Ramanujan, Einstein, Newton all loved data science and maths. So the maths was the favorite subject of all time because it was having data handling, bar graphs, and many type of calculations in maths. Maths is a core educational pillar for data scientists regardless of your future industry career path. It ensures you can help an organization solve problems and innovate more quickly, optimize model performance, and effectively apply complex data towards business challenges. If you want to become a businessman, then you should learn maths in commerce, because if you study commerce, you study less and get more money. Okay? So next topic. Machine learning skills. As I told you in data science, machine learning is also a part that we should use in earning money. Machine learning analyzes and examines large chunks of data automatically. It automates the data analysis process and makes prediction in real time without any human involvement. You can further train the data model to make real time predictions. Machine learning, very important. Data science, also very important. You can see this person. He is very tension. I don't know what I'm speaking, but he is lost in somewhere in the world of maths. But he is very interested in learning maths. You can see. Bye. So this cutie is saying that bye, and if whatever I told you, you should learn it to earn money. If you want to earn money, join data science. DSA, Data Science Association. And if you want to learn more about data science, you can see last videos, Kaggle, and more of the Python libraries and calculations. So if you want to learn more about data science, I will tell you later, but after that you can watch about Kaggle. Bye.